Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the iJoy Shogun Kit. So this was sent in by iJoy for the purposes of this review. Really nice. It might remind you of another mod that we reviewed recently. But really nice, feels great in the hand, nice vape. Let's dive down and look at it. Alright, so this is the iJoy Shogun Kit. So you will get your manual. You will get your iJoy little information card there. You will get your warranty card. You will get your straight glass for the tank. You will get a second coil, and it does use these newer style iJoy coils, which don't want to focus very well. All right, this particular one is the 0.15 40 to 80 watt single mesh. I got the I think it's a triple mesh in there right now, and you will get your little bag of goodies along with a micro USB cable. Let's take a look at the device itself. First thing this makes me think of is this is like a drag or a drag 2 in terms of looks, except it's a little bit more rounded than squared around the sides. But let's see if we can get it to focus close in there. That is, I think, really beautiful on those panels. All right, both the same, or same style, but unlike the drag, which has one side and then has their wording on the other side, this has the panels on both sides, which really looks nice. The bottom of the device itself actually says Unimod, Unimod, designed by iJoy. You got some venting in the bottom. You can see this side is the door. You got your two buttons, your micro USB charging and your fire. All right. Top is center loaded. We'll pull the tank off, take a look at that real quick, and then go back to the mod. If it ever comes off, and there you go, center loaded 510. This is the Katana, which is a basic sub-ohm tank. All right, nice 810 drip tip. Slide to fill. Everything about the tank has been working well. Like I said, sub-ohm tank, so I'm not going to pull the whole thing apart and show you. It's just a sub-ohm tank. So we're back on the mod. All right, mod itself. Let's pull off the door. The door here, it says Universal or Univ. All right, and you can see that is like embedded into the door. You have magnets on top and bottom, which connect with the metal here. You have your standard dual 18650 setup. You have your positive and negative marked in there. Door. What's nice about these doors, the drag had a little bit of a play in the doors, but if you could see these, this is fitted around here. The door doesn't just rest on top. This door actually goes inside of, it's hitting on both sides, okay? It's hitting on the left, right there, and it's hitting on the top. So once this goes in, you push that down and it's in there, there is no play. I mean, there is the slightest bit of play, but because it has pieces around it holding it in place, you really don't feel it, all right? Buttons are very nice and clicky, all right? You could see how fast that fires. You could hear how fast that fires. Really fast response time on there. Their display, you got your batteries on the bottom. You got your resistance, you got your puff counter, you got your voltage, you got if you're in normal, soft, or hard mode, and you have your wattage. It also has this new, let's zoom in a little more, it also has this new menu system, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, where you can go between power, temperature control, nickel, titanium, stainless steel, memories, pod mode. All right, so you get the pod modes. So if you use those adapters that iJoy makes, you can stick one on top and use like a regular jewel pod on there. And you got your menu where you can choose normal, hard, soft, or user defined. TCR modes. Set where you can set the screen timeout, puff counter reset. And that's it. It really does work well. So it really is a nice looking device. Let's go back up and talk about how it's actually been vaping. So there you go, the iJoy Shogun mod. I really like it, I do. I love the looks of this mod. It looks, like I said, like the drag. I love the looks of it. I love the feel of it. Everything about it's good. It fires super fast. All right, super duper fast. The tank is a regular sub-ohm tank. You know, they're all very close today. These mesh coils have great flavor, blah, blah, blah. It works great, no problem there. But it's always the mod that I'm interested in, just because that's what you're really dealing with. I mean, again, the tank is what gives you the flavor. But if you're dealing with sub-ohm tanks these days, they pretty much all do the same job. The mod itself is beautiful. Fires fast, looks nice, screen is nice. You have that option of their newer menu system where you could put in one of those adapters, those little adapter tanks with the foam in there that, I forget what they call them, that you can put in, you know, pods into. Actually, I have it right here. You know, these little tanks, the little tank that's on the top here. All right, a little adapter, I should say. You could stick a jewel pod in there, and you could do that on here if you wanted to. But overall, the mod is a winner. It is solid. It feels good. It feels nice in the hand. It looks beautiful. It fires great. The buttons feel good. It feels like a good quality device. It really does. And I'm very happy with it. I love it. So there you go. Check it out. Links on the screen. That is the iJoy Shogun Kit by iJoy. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.